5 tips for fall home maintenance. Hello everyone, I'm Carl Iglesias with the fertilizing.com. You know, life is pretty busy and it's easy to forget the things that matter as a homeowner. So to help you out, here are 5 great tips to keep you on top of things. But before we get started, don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell. You'll know when these videos are coming out. Okay, so let's get started with number 1. Get your furnace ready. Can't remember the last time it was serviced? It's probably time. Have an HVAC contractor take a look at it just to make sure that it's still running efficiently, okay? Number 2, clean out your gutters and downspouts, okay? Clear out any fallen leaves and other debris that may cause clogs, you know, depending on the amount of trees that you have. Twice a year or even quarterly will help keep your gutters flowing properly, okay? Number 3, clean your chimney flue. Super important, okay? Especially if it's been a few years. You know, since soot buildup, can create a fire hazard, this one is easily forgotten about. So put it on your calendar for, every October just to have it serviced. This is a safety item that you don't want to mess around with, okay? Number 4, prepare your lawn for next spring. Get greener and thicker grass next year by aerating it and fertilizing your lawn now and make the neighbors, jealous next year with your, green, thick grass, okay? So last but not least, number 5, trim your hedges and trees in the late fall, okay? Prune dead branches to prevent them from, falling during the winter storms, and also to promote, fresh new growth for next spring. So those are the 5 fall maintenance tips. We hope you found it valuable. And if you would like more content like this, let us know in the comments section below, okay? And as always, if you need us for anything, feel free to reach out. Our information is always in the description box below. Don't forget to hit that like button. Till next time, Carl Iglesias with the preferredagentteam.com. Peace out.